Hi viewers, welcome back to my another video. I am Priyanka and you are watching Priyanka's Unlimited Teaching. Today I'll show you how to make a decorative bicycle from 3 branches. In this video we will need 3 branches, wool yarn, glue gum, plastic bottle and fake flowers. First, I will twist the branches on the tree with wool yarn. I used red yarn. I cut 3 branches into 4 pieces, which I will use as bicycle wheels. I painted these pieces yellow and shaded them with black, just like the wheels on a bicycle. I am cutting a bottle and twisting it with pink wool yarn. I will attach each pieces with glue gum. My showpiece is ready. Comment how it looks. That is all for today. Hope you have liked the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos. Tata, take care.